Have you ever wondered if one old laptop and a curious little boat could completely change the life of a town? What happened next with Adam and AI will blow your mind. Stay with me to see the full story. In a small city, there lived a boy named Adam. Adam didn't have an expensive phone or a fancy computer, but he had a deep curiosity about technology and artificial intelligence. While other kids played outside, Adam spent his time learning new things and exploring ideas. One day, in the school storage room, Adam found an old, broken laptop. Everyone said it was useless, but Adam believed it could be fixed. He took it home and started learning how to repair it, watching tutorials online and working day and night. After many days, the laptop finally turned on. Inside, Adam discovered an unfinished AI program called AIVA. At first, AIVA could only answer simple questions, but Adam noticed something incredible. This AI could learn and improve itself. Adam began teaching AIVA every day. He taught it mathematics, how to understand human emotions, and how to make better decisions using data. Slowly, AIVA became smarter and more capable of helping others. One evening, Adam's father came home worried. His small shop was losing customers, and the business was failing. Adam knew he could use AIVA to help. AIVA analyzed customer patterns, suggested better pricing, and helped create online advertisements. Adam followed the AI's advice, and within weeks, the shop was thriving again. His father was amazed at how technology had turned things around. Adam realized something important. AI is powerful, but its true potential comes from human creativity, guidance, and effort. Even a small program, when used wisely, can achieve amazing results. If you enjoy Adam's story, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more inspiring tech tales. Remember, curiosity and learning can change the world, one small idea at a time.